Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ripples on Road, and we are traveling by this train. So this is the train which I'll be traveling. My coach is sleeper class. Mine is 36. So mine is 36. I'll be sitting here. This is S2 is the coach, and this is the train 22180. This is the lower berth. So here is my seat, lower berth. This is the middle berth, and there's an upper berth over there. Side berths over there. The guy is up. Two side berths. So I have a nice window seat where I can see outside like this. Friends, our train has started. It was to start at 3:50. Now it's 7 minutes late. You can see the name of the station. It's the longest name in India. See the name. Kurutachi, Tallabiyar, Dr. NVR Ramchandran, Central Railway. You can see our train. Yeah, it is. We are, I think, fifth from the end of the train. So this is the old local trains, very old ones. एक चाय दे देना. So friends, I got tea here. That's some milk and from this small vendor here. 3 bananas for 10 rupees from this guy. He's selling bananas. So we are leaving Renigunda after 50 minutes. It came half an hour early. Now it's about 15 minutes late. Chapati and chili chicken. I gave 1 spoon and also raita. I don't know whether I will take this. So this is my dinner tonight. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ripples on Road, and we are traveling by this train. So I'm going back from Chennai, that was earlier called as Madras, to Mumbai. I hope you can hear me. So this is my train. Indian flag over there, you can see, I hope. Yes, that's the entrance to the main station. But I came on the other way, but you can see the Indian flag. So this is how the Chennai Central looks. It's called MGR. That's named after the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. So Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. So this is how it looks. Everything in English, but most of the thing in Tamil. So this is the train which I'll be traveling. My coach is sleeper class. I am over there. My coach is S2. S2 is my coach. And this is my window. I have a window seat here. Mine is 36. So mine is 36. I'll be sitting here. This is S2 is the coach, and this is the train 22180. So it will start now. It's 3:40. After 10 minutes, 3:50, it will start. Let me show you the coach. The condition of the coach is really bad. The condition of the coach is really bad. Let me show you. The glass is broken here. The door is they put some ply over here. See. But inside it is clean. And here is my coach here. So this is a chai wala. He's going there. So this is my seat. So I have a window seat. I have a lower berth. So this is the lower berth. So here is my seat, lower berth. This is the middle berth, and there's an upper berth over there. The side berths over there. The guy is up. 2 side berths. So I have a nice window seat where I can see outside like this. In air condition you can't do this, but here I can do this. That's why I love traveling by sleeper class, and you can see the villages and towns and cities. So this is the station. I don't know how hot it will be. It's a sleeper class that is without air condition. I don't know how hot it will be. I'll be reaching tomorrow by 2:30 Mumbai. So it's about 23 hours journey. You can say about 23-hour journey. Friends, our train has started. It was to start at 3:50. Now it's 7 minutes late. But there is no crowd. See, the seats are empty. There's no one. Maybe afterwards, this train that has come is from Kerala. And that train will be going to Kerala. That's an air-conditioned one. That's a pantry car. They cook food in that. See, AC hot buffet car. And this is air-conditioned one. 3-tier AC. There are 3 berths over there. This also 3-tier. These are some stalls, food stalls here. So I'm very happy again to go to Mumbai. Back to Mumbai. 3-tier, all 3-tier AC, air-conditioned. And the station is empty. I've never seen the starting station so empty. Oh, there was banana here. I wanted some banana. Oh my, I should have taken. I wasn't knowing that there's a banana guy here. So here goes. That's the locomotive for that train. Luggage and brake generator car. So you can take luggage in that. That's the place where you can keep your luggage. You know, if you want extra luggage or you want to sell something, products or all that. So this is in Tamil. They have written it's a sari advertisement, and that's the locomotive over there. I couldn't see how much is the horsepower. So that's on the other side is the stadium over there. What you see, there's a stadium over there. So we have just started. Let me show you the name. I think this is the longest name for any station in India. The longest name. You can see the name of the station. It's the longest name in India. See the name. Kurutachi, Tallabiyar, Dr. MGR Ramchandran, Central Railway. So that's the longest. They are examining the train. Staff restroom. There is an accident relief vehicle. Kitchen and dining coach. Here you can cook in this. Oh, there are some things inside. And there's a generator van inside. That's self-propelled auxiliary tool van. You can see our train. There it is. We are, I think, 5th from the end of the train. We are the 5th. So our coach must be about 20th or 18th or 20th from the engine. There goes. I want to see the locomotive because it was very far. I didn't go there. I won't be able to see from here. Let me show you the facilities here in this compartment. This is my berth. I'll be sleeping night here. There's a place to hang my food. I brought some food, that is chapati and chili chicken. Then you have a charging point here, a light here. So there's a light here. There is a charging cable here. Then here also you have a thing for hanging. This is for the middle berth. So this berth will come here. This too. There's a fan, a night lamp over there, and a light. Comfortable, but no air condition. So 3 people, one here, that's myself, the middle berth and the upper berth. 3 people can sit here, and a mirror also. So you have a mirror also here. I look very tired. Now the train has picked up the speed. So friends, what you see is complete loco. This is the loco shed where they repair the trains and all. These are the coaches here, old ones. These are the new ones. So here the manufacturer, it's called ICF, Integrated Coach Factory. So all railway property here. This is the old train. what you saw. This is the old ones, local trains. And we are going at a very good speed now. There was a beautiful train over there. It's all new coaches, what you see. And I saw a very beautiful train. I couldn't take a photo of that. So this is the old local trains, the very old ones. That's a really very old one. So this is the new local trains. The cows grazing. There's a farmer here. There is our train. So friends, we have come to Renigunta railway station and I'm trying to get some tea. This is half an hour before time. It has reached 6:05 and now actual timing is 6:30. I'm trying to get some tea. I hope my luggage is intact. There is a stall over there, so I'll go and get some tea. There are people running to catch the train. There's so many of them here, my God. So many of them. Just running to get the train. A cup of tea. There are so many things here. Ek chai de dena. So friends, I got tea here. That's some milk and from this small vendor here. So nice, you can see here they write the rate of the tea. Dip tea 10 rupees. So it's written over there. Biscuits are there, so many things are here. So we go to the compartment now. So this place is famous for a temple called Tirupati temple. So people who go to Tirupati, they get down here and go to Tirupati. What they do is they cut their hair. So if you see many of them, they don't have, they are bald. And here there's some food here. I don't know what he's selling. Rice, dal. This guy is selling water. See this guy, he has cut his hair. So, see here. So they are, they cut their hair and they're bald, Many of them, you can see many of them here. See here. See here, there's another guy. So all of them, So my tea is here. I'm going to my compartment. This is S6. So mine is S2. So still further I have to walk. Here you get sambar, vada and all that. Here you get water. Already filled water. And that's very cheap. 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Very cheap. And now you can hear, this is in Andhra Pradesh. So now ours is S2, now this is S3. The coach is not that clean. I can't say it's clean here. This poor guy has to, oh there's a lady or a man, I don't know. Very sad. So this is the station. They are written in 3 languages: Andhra, Hindi and English. Renigunta. So the tea was really very nice, sir. Super tea with samosa. What a combination! Very nice. So this train is half an hour early, so we have to wait now. Bought 3 bananas for 10 rupees from this guy. He's selling bananas. Nice, yeah. They are good ones. See? 3 bananas. So this all you get when you travel by train. So our train is, I don't know, it's stopped here for such a long time. We're waiting for the signal. Train was here for 50 minutes and now it has left. It came early, the banana guy, and this is where I had my tea. So that's my tea stall over there. I had my tea. There are many other stalls here. So we are leaving Renigunda after 50 minutes. It came half an hour early, now it's about 15 minutes late. 15 minutes. Chapati and chili chicken. They gave 1 spoon and also raita. But I don't know whether I will take this. So this is my dinner tonight. Chapati, chili chicken, raita.